Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to take a look at all of the Porsche 918 Spyder Hot Wheels. We are looking at these models in honor of the newest addition to the collection, the 2018 Factory Fresh 918. This new casting is the first Spyder to be based on the real-life final production model, while the other Hot Wheels are based on the concept version of the 918. I really do prefer the new model to the original concept, and you can clearly see the differences in this photo here. First of all, the 2018 edition features black wheels and a darker windshield, which really give this car a more stealthy look. The new Hot Wheels also feature sleeker body lines, and the removal of the side pipes clean up the shape nicely. On the back, more new details become clear, such as the improved logos and addition of a Hot Wheels license plate. The latest 918 also has the correct exhaust pipes that peek out of the upgraded engine cover. On the front end of the hypercar, you'll notice slightly different headlights, but it's easier to notice the wider front end intakes. The entire lower section looks improved, most likely because of the darker plastic that gives the car a more realistic stance. Even the length of the new model seems to be just a tad bit longer because of improved proportions. Overall, I'm a big fan of the 918 Spyder, and I'm excited to hopefully see some more new colors from Hot Wheels this year. If I could choose a new color for this car, it would have to be this acid green. Let me know what your favorite 918 color is in the comments below. Now let's take a look at all of the concept models in my collection. So there we have all 5 of the Hot Wheels 918 Spyders. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.